Dear students, this week we will continue studying the dotted quarter note. So remember, quarter note is equal to 2/8 notes and we count quarter note one and. When you have a dot next to the quarter note, that adds half of the value. So that means it adds one more eighth note. So you will count a dotted quarter note 1 and 2. Yeah, 3/8 notes, 1 and 2. Usually the dotted quarter note is followed by a single eighth note. So usually you will count it 1 and 2 and N for the single eighth note. So I'm on page 54 and today you're going to learn how to play the song Michael Rowed the Boat Ashore. So you have a small map right here, and this is what you need to do. You need to place the thumb of your right hand on the middle C, and then do this little trick. Keep the thumb on middle C, but put the second finger on E. Okay, so thumb on middle C and second finger on E. So your D note is not covered, and somehow you don't need the D note in this song. So you have to make a space between C and E. Okay, 1 on C, 2 on E, 3 on F, 4 on G, 5 on A. Okay, so these are the notes that you will need to use in a melody. Left hand sits in a pure and simple C position. 5 on C, 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G. All right. Now, the rhythm is a little bit tricky because they are dotted quarter notes, so you have to divide each quarter note in 2/8 notes and count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you look in the first, I can't call it the first bar, yeah, because that's a pickup. You see that you're in 4/4 time. That means that you are supposed to have 4 quarter notes to make a complete bar. The first 2 notes do not make a complete bar, so that means that this is a pickup bar. You are missing 2 quarter notes, okay? So you start counting 1 and 2 and start playing on beat 3 and then skip to E but play finger 2, 3, 4 and. Okay, so let's try one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dotted quarter note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you have long line of rest. Okay, just keep your right hand in the same position, and the 2 bars from the end you have finger 4 on G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and the song ended on 2 and. Okay, because 3 and 4 and they are in the beginning of the song, yeah, as a pickup bar. All right, so I'm going to give you finger numbers. 1 on C, 2 on E, 4 on G, 2 on E, 4 on G, 5 on A, new bar, half note, 4 on G. 2 on E is given, 4 on G, 5 on A, that's a whole note, 4 beats, and then second line, that's your G, finger 4. And that's the same G that you play at the end of the song. 4 on G, 3 on F, 2 on E, and you're done. All right, with the left hand, okay, you're in C position. You start on C, F, harmonic fourth interval, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then move third finger on E. Okay, you play C and E, 1 and 2 and 3 on E. 1 on G, then continue 1 on G, dotted quarter note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and done. Okay, so the finger numbers for the bottom of the song, last 4 bars, 1 on G, that's your dotted quarter note, 1 on G, 3 on E, 2 on F, 3 on E. Now you have a half note, that's your D, finger 4, followed by C finger 5, D finger 4, new bar, half note, 3 on E, another half note, 4 on D, last note is C finger 5. All right, let's try to put hands together. All right, so remember, simple C position for the left hand and tricky position for the right hand. 1 on C, 2 on E, and the rest of the notes just keep them above E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and you're done with the song. Thank you.